Jai Hind all. The topic which we are going to discuss today is collaborating using cloud services, which comes under Unit 3 of the subject code KCA 041. These are the contents which we are going to discuss today. Introduction, that is what is the meaning of collaboration over the cloud. Then how we do the collaboration on web-based communication tools with the help of web-based communication tools, then calendars, task management, presentation, and word processing. So basically, what is introduction? So collaboration in the cloud is an emerging way to share and co-write computer files using cloud computing, where the documents are uploaded to the cloud for storage so that everyone they can have access to those documents. The collaboration brings together a group of members to simultaneously work on a specific task. That is why we need the collaboration, so that the different members, they may be residing in different part of the world, they may come together and they perform certain functions on a specific task which they are sharing. So the latest developments in the field of cloud and collaboration are brought together. That is, these two concepts, they have been combined, and nowadays many people, they are using these collaboration tools to make their work easy. Collaboration is really a complex task that allows multiple people in different locations to work in real time on different types of tasks using web-related applications. How we do the collaboration via web-based communication tools? We are having three main categories of communication. One is instant messaging services, web email services, and web conferencing tools. That is, we might go for the communication with the help of instant messaging services like your SMS and so on. Then certain communication we do over the email, and certain communication they require the specific conferencing tools where we can go for the meetings and conferences over the internet. So the group of people from any location can take the help of these tools for the purpose of communicating with other groups and further their task of collaboration on group projects. How we do the exploring instant messaging services? Instant messaging services mean one-to-one conversations, and without waiting for a response for long interval of time from each other. That is, this is one-to-one communication. That is, one is sending some data to other person, and he didn't need to get the urgency to get the reply from the other party. Here the messages go directly from one, that is, communication is IP to IP in this case, and there is no involvement of servers in the middle to slow down the process. That is with the help of your cloud services. Some instant messaging services, these are the examples. The first one is AOL Instant Messenger. It is the most famous and widely used messaging service, which is also called as AIM. Even though it can be used by people of all ages, it has become popular with the teenagers to provide the features. What features it has? RSS feed is possible, text messaging is possible, file sharing, group chats, video and voice chat, and mobile client is possible in this case. Then the next is your Yahoo Messenger. It is also the well-known instant messenger program. What are its features? We can go with the file sharing. It has chat rooms where we go with the chatting. Voice and video messaging is also possible. Then PC to PC and PC to phone calling is also provided in this case. Users can access minute sports scores, that is newsroom, stock prices, weather forecast, news headlines, notification. If if the user require the notification to other services, then they are also available in Yahoo Messenger. Google Talk is another example. It allows the users to send and receive text-based instant messages, and also VoIP is possible in this case. If the two persons need to share files, then both of them should have the Google Talk client installed on their system. That is, file sharing is also possible with the help of Google Talk application. Mail services, that is how we go for the mailing. Web mails can be accessed from any system through any web browser. All messages will get stored on web but not locally. And these are the certain email services. Yahoo Mail. This can be accessed from any system with the help of any web browser, irrespective of the version of the user prefer, whether free. Both versions are available in Yahoo Mail, free as well as paid. It provides unlimited storage. It provides a paid service known as Yahoo Mail Plus. This is the paid version, which allows the users to send larger messages and also facilitates offline access to all the messages through POP email clients. Gmail, you people are aware of this particular service. It's a Google web mail service. Through this, email can be sent, received from any web browser, and one can easily search for the messages with the help of this service. They need to sign up for an account to log in. Users can also log in into Gmail if they have any existing account for at least one of the Google service. Another one is your Windows Live Hotmail. Like other webmail services, this is also accessed from any system through any web browser. Earlier it was simply called Hotmail, but now its name has been changed to Windows Live Hotmail. Web conferencing tools, more than two people when they want to get involved in a communication, then they can use these web conferencing tools. These tools also help people in giving presentations to a team of members who are located at different locations, that is, they are geographically apart. They provide a way to schedule presentations and live meetings over the internet. Some of the features that can be obtained through web conference service: text-based chat, annotation, audio, video conferencing, and so on. Only some web conferencing systems, they possess all these features, while others include a subset of these features. It depends what kind of vendor you are using. Some of the vendors, they are providing a full package, whereas there are certain vendors, they provide only a few subset of these features. Some of the examples in this case is Convenos Meeting Center. This web-based conferencing tool, it is having separate pricing for different users, and the users can go for file and document sharing, polling in which audiences can be questioned. Polling activity is also possible. Integration with the Skype is also possible in this case of in this tool. Then another one is a Glance web-based conferencing tool. What are its highlight? Easy to use, screen sharing without any need to install client software, because it is a web-based tool. Then Genesis Meeting Center, this is another example. This web-based conferencing service provides features similar to Convenos. What are the services? Chatting, polling, file, document sharing, desktop, video, and online. PPT presentation is also, that is PPT sharing is also possible with this tool. Then Yugma, this service provides 3 different plans which depends on the number of people attending a meeting. The features are teleconferencing, whiteboard is also available with this tool, desktop sharing, public and private chat facility is available in this case. Microsoft Office Live Meeting, this is another application. In this service, users can obtain PPT viewer, audio and video conferences, application and desktop sharing, integration with Microsoft Outlook. That is, while remaining in this service page, you can go navigate to the Outlook tool. Zoho Meeting, this is another. It is a free web conferencing service. It possesses all the default features. Chat is available, remote PC control is available, application and desktop sharing is there, and Skype integration is also there with the Zoho. Then another service is collaborating on calendars. Most of the persons, they are placing their scheduled appointment or task on their personal systems. No one is using a wall hanging calendar, as the computer does everything for them. So in this case, when we use the calendars over the cloud, then it make very easy to track the events and appointments electronically. The main demerit of using calendar software is that all the scheduled tasks reside on a single system. If the user places a personal calendar on desktop, it cannot be referred to if he is on traveling. Then it's better to use the web-based calendars instead of using a calendar which is devoted on a single computer. The web-based calendar applications will store the calendars on the cloud so that the user can access them from any system which has internet facility. These web-based calendars, they are very easy to share and use, and anyone they can use from any location, making them a great thing for collaborative projects. Some of the famous examples of the cloud calendar are, number one is your Google Calendar. It is the most familiar web-based calendar that is free and easy to use. It helps to create both personal and shared calendars. Both these concepts, they are supported here. For tracking family, if you are using the scheduling something related to your family, it could be related to business group or the community. When you use Google Calendar, all the events get stored in the cloud. So anyone can access this from any system and from anywhere. The only required thing is you should have the login facility. That is, you should have the credentials available with you so that you can log in to that particular Google Calendar homepage, and automatically all the events which you have marked on your calendar will appear there. Google enables the users to create different types of calendars for different sections, like one for work, one for home, one for employees in an organization, etc. The users can create both private and public calendars. They are available with the Google. So on the basis of the usage, we are having personal calendars, public calendars, holiday calendars, and friends calendar. Personal calendars, they are your default calendars which you get with the Google. Public calendars, they are accessed by anyone through the web. Holiday, these are public holidays to the basic calendar. Friends calendar, the calendars which the user can import, that is, you need to import it from your friend web page, and such calendars are called as friends calendar. Another one is your Yahoo Calendar. It is similar to Google Calendar with minor difference. Almost all web-based calendars will possess a similar visual look. The one in which the Yahoo Calendar differs from a Google Calendar is the Add Task button is available. It is possible for the users to share their Yahoo Calendar with anyone in collaborative environment. For this, the users need to click the sharing link and indicate the option in which they want to share. That is, no share. These are the options available: no sharing, view only for anyone, or view only for friends, or view only with some particular friends who are allowed to add it. For trusted collaboration, it better to choose the last. That is, particular friend with editing option. Like the Google Calendar, the user cannot create different types of calendar for different areas. This facility is not available in case of Yahoo. Another one is your Windows Live Calendar. This is Microsoft web-based calendar, and which looks a lot like the previously explained Google and Yahoo calendar. Now, what are the tasks available with the Yahoo calendar? It allows the user to schedule the meetings with any other calendar and Hotmail users. That is, you can go with the collaboration with other service providers calendars also. You can share your calendar with authorized users for group collaboration. Another example is your Hunt calendars. It provides event-based web calendars. The site regarding this allow the users to add images and web links. That is, this particular thing is available with the Hunt calendars. And other useful features which are included in Hunt calendars is you can go with the email reminders. That is, whenever a particular task or event got scheduled, then an email reminder will be sent to the users. Notification of new and updated events and event conflicts. If there are certain events they are conflicting, then at that time alert would get arise and it would be sent to the user. Calendars.net, this is another example. Again, it is free web-based calendar, and it is specifically designed for companies or individuals. That is, both the concepts they are supported here. And interactive, they provide the interactive concept to the users. Typical calendar fits into a frame on your website with little coding. That is, you can attach this calendar with your website also. The site also hosts personal calendars. One can employ 4 different levels of security it provides. You can add the events, edit the events, and even change universal calendar settings. eStudio calendar, this is another example. This is designed especially for the purpose of business. That is, individual concepts is not supported here. That is why it provides 3 versions. One is your member event calendar, supervisor calendar, and team event calendar. Member event calendar, it allows the users to manage their personal time and placing the meeting schedule with others. So in supervisor concept, it provides reports also to the managers regarding business activities and schedules. Team event calendar, it helps in scheduling the activities for a team and also schedule facilities. Another important service which the users they are using over the cloud is collaborating on task management. So task management, it allows the users to manage anything from simple to-do list to very complex group tasks. That is, for example, you want to schedule a task which is related or activities which are related to your day-to-day life, then also you can use the task management. If you are working in a group, in a professional group, then also you can go with this concept. You need this concept of task management. If you are working with your friends and in a group and you are performing some activity, then also you can use this task management there. So what are the services provided or the examples in the case of task management? The first example is iPrioritize. So whatever the application, it is a basic to-do list manager. Sharing to-do list among community, that is, you can share this to-do list. First you will form a to-do list. You can share this to-do list with your community, with families and or business. In this form of calendar, the authorized users are able to create to-do list and items to the, that is, you can add items to the list, that so and so date you have to do a particular thing, and this particular thing requires certain activities to be performed or certain items to manage that particular activity, then you can add the items to the list. Give priority. Even if you want to prioritize certain tasks, For example, in a whole day, you want to perform 4 tasks and you need to give the priority. Okay, the task number 3 is the priority one. Then in that case, you can change their position in the list and finally tick the items complete when finished. The users can access their list from anywhere, anytime, because it is a web-based. Another example is the Tada list. This is another web-based to-do list manager, and it enables the user to sort out all types of lists and can share them with the family, co-workers and friends, and then check off the items when they are complete. That is, when a particular event got finished, then it automatically got checked off. Another one is your to-do list. It is similar most of the other to-do list managers, except that it includes a web-based calendar. That is, a calendar is also available in this case. The items will be added to the to-do list and also to the calendar on some particular date when they are due. Another example is TaskThis. It is also similar to other to-do list managers, except it provides ability to add any extended notes to the required individual task. HighTask. This is a business oriented, that is only meant for the organizations, which is more sophisticated task management. Tasks can be added to the calendar, and for easy identification purpose, they must be color tagging. That is, color tagging is the another feature which is provided by the HighTask. And both the task manager as well as the scheduler, they provide the drag and drop editing. This facility is provided, and are also able to share and assign project and tasks to a particular group of people through the web. Another important example is the blah blah list. It is another simple to-do list manager. The users have the ability to access their list from anywhere at any time, since it is web-based. It is meant for general users, and this list, it can be shared with any user. Another important service over the cloud is collaborating on presentations. The most popular thing that everyone uses nowadays is presentation. That is a Microsoft PPTs. Most of the web-based presentation programs allow you to import already existing PPTs. It would be great if you have created a PPT or a template for reuse purpose, and also you can give these types of PPT from the web. The main problem with any web-based presentation is does not have the same graphics, effect and transitions available just like you have got in your PPT. So this is the problem with the web-based. That is, if you are you have developed a PPT on your desktop, and if you are opening it over the cloud, then in some cases certain graphics or effects, they got lost. Examples: BrinkPad. It is a Java applet, and it supported by any web browser. It allows the users, you can create, you can save, you can publish your slideshows and presentations over the web. It also gives a chance to other, they can also share and collaborate. That is, you can give your friends or other team members authority to change or to amend these slides. But drawback: no slide transition effect, pre-designed templates or charting or table tool, they are available in this case. Because all these demerits, it is not a good replacement for the Microsoft PPT. Another example is Impressor. It is somewhat better when compared to BrinkPad. Through this, the users are able, that is, shapes, charts, text, tables, you can insert these things, which is absent in the case of BrinkPad. They also allow to create custom slide background. The most interesting factor regarding Impressor is that it allows the users to create the chart. This feature is not offered by most of the web-based presentation applications. Google, it is the most competing and dominating web based apps in today's market. It allows the users to create new PPT and open the already existing PPT from the main Google Doc page. The users can click on the title or an icon to open the PPT, and then by selecting new, the user can create a new PPT which will open in a new window. There is no chart, that is the demerit. No chart making facility, and it also does not provide any slide animation. That is, with the web-based Google presentation, you cannot go with these two options. And if you want to use them, then you have to use the Expressor. Presentation engine. It is an advanced application which includes very sophisticated graphics and transition effects. That is, if you want to make the PPT for this purpose, then this example is very good. Users can add color schemes, background music for their PPT, and can choose a design style from the list it shows, and finally add text to the slide, which leads to the creation of a multimedia presentation. Zoho Show, it also allows the users to create a smart looking text-based slides, but doesn't provide tables, chart creation function and transition effects. It integrates well with any other Zoho web-based applications. Zoho Show provides easy sharing and collaboration. Another important example is ThinkFree Show. It is a presentation component of ThinkFree's suite of Office applications. It offers both slide transition effects and custom animations for both, for text as well as for objects, and allows the creation of table and shapes. Sharing of PPT is done through ThinkFree's My Office laptop. You can share your presentation for viewing only, or group editing. That is, group editing is possible in this case, and then playback presentation from any internet connected computer. Another important service is collaborating on word processing. Most of the people, they opt for Microsoft Word to write letters, notes, reports, facts, cover sheets, etc. The word processor has become an essential part of our computing world. Microsoft Word is nothing but as a software program which is installed on your system. So if you want to work or collaborate on that particular document, then you need to carry that document to some other place, either through your mail services or by using the pen drives. But if we use the web-based processor, word processors, then in that case it is not installed on the hard disk, and they are and moreover they are hosted over the cloud. So just by using your login credentials, you can start working on these web-based word processors from anywhere. What are the advantages of web-based processor? Document can be accessed from any system. Web-based word processor stores files on cloud servers. So every change the user makes to the file from any system will be automatically saved on the cloud servers, so the users will not lose the data. And there are certain applications or the cloud servers where the versions are also kept. Most of the web-based word processors, they are free nowadays. Users who can use a web-based, what are the users? General users. If you are a beginner, if you want to access their documents from different locations, those who want to edit or manage their document in a collaborative environment, that is in a team, those who want to share the document with others. These are the few examples of web-based word processors. Google Docs, it is the most noteworthy web-based and widely used web-based word processor. Docs is a suite of applications which includes Google Presentation, Google Spreadsheets and so on. The biggest advantage of the Google Doc is its ability to share a document with others, either to view or for collaborative editing. Both these options are available. Another one is from ThinkFree, that is your ThinkFree Write. This is a Java-based online word processor. Each new document will be opened as its own window, where each one has a pull-down menu and toolbar which are very similar to your ThinkFree's presentation service. KD KB Docs. It includes limited formatting option and does not possess sharing and collaboration features. It is absent from the KB Docs, and it is one of the easiest web-based word processors among all the available one. iNetWord is another example, and it is a web-based, it is full-featured application. iNetWord features tabbed interfaces possible, with each open document appearing on its own tab. That is, whenever you open a new application, it will open in a new tab. You get the support for page background, borders support is available, page numbering support, you can insert table, you can insert images. It even comes with a number of pre-designed templates, that is, if you want to opt for them, you can use them. For group collaboration, it lets you share individual documents, that is, group collaboration is possible. You can do the group collaboration on a single document or entire folder. Changes made by one user, it got highlighted on screen, and it's easy to revert back to the previous version. It is an important advantage of using iNetWord. Another example is from People, that is your People web writer. It is again a multi-application web-based office suite which is provided by the People. The People interface is a trifle, unusual. The document you are editing appear in its own window. On top of the larger home window that holds the toolbar is available, tabs that you use to edit and format your document. If you can get past this little quick, People offers some interesting features, including ability to edit your documents offline. That is, you can edit your document offline, then when you got online, then you can sync your document. Zoho Writer, it is another web-based word processor that allows multiple document display in a single window. Why? Because it provides the tabbed interface. It gives all standard editing and formatting features which are available with the other applications, that is page numbering, headers, footers concept. You can include footnotes and notes. You can insert tables and other advanced features which is not available with other web-based word processor. It is a very comprehensive tool, cloud-based tool. It provides robust sharing and collaboration features. You can share a document with individuals. Group sharing is possible. You can provide both the access, that is read only or read or write, that is viewer or editor writes. Sharing is easy as clicking the share tab. So this is all about collaboration using the cloud services. Thank you.